Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've got something really special for you today to unbox. This right here is a 124 scale die-cast truck carrying 4 amazing 140 scale cars. Yeah, you heard that right, 4 incredible cars, all packed into one beast of a truck. And trust me, you're going to want to see these up close. First, let's take a look at the box. The packaging is sleek. You can already see a glimpse of the model inside. This one comes from Joy Junction brand. These are the few trucks available in this brand. Now we are unboxing this model. Let's open it up. These 2 cars comes with this truck, full of plastic made and very poor detailing and quality. First things first, let's talk about the truck. This is a 124 scale, and it's just massive. It has such clean detailing. The trailer is detachable, so you can use the truck by itself or as a carrier, which adds a lot of flexibility to how you display. The working headlights, the solid, fixed doors. And check out these wheels. Super realistic. They roll smoothly. Plus, the headlights actually work. Seriously, this is one of those models where you can see all the attention to detail. This is the detachable trailer. This stand is used for trailer to support it. This ramp opens here to load the cars. We can slide this pillar to move the cars for upper floor in the trailer. All right, enough about the truck. Let's get to the good stuff. We've got 5 cars in here, and every one of them is a gem. First up, let's talk about the Mercedes Benz SLS AMG. Here we go. This is the Mercedes Benz SLS AMG. Look at that red finish. You push the car back, and bam! The car moves just like the real thing. It's such a stunning car, and they've nailed every detail. From the headlights to the curves of the body, This thing is a work of art. This is a 1.40 scale. This one comes from Maisto brand. And the gull wing doors? Oh, they are open doors. It has such clean detailing. The chrome on the grille. And you know what's cool? Now let's load the car and trailer. Next, we've got something a little more exotic. The Lamborghini Aventador LP 704. Check out this Lamborghini. That aggressive, sharp styling is just insane. The bright Arancio Argos orange paint job really pops, and the angular lines make it look ready to pounce. This is a 140 scale. This one comes from Maisto brand. I love the attention to detail here, especially the wheels. It's all about that Lamborghini look. Now let's load the car and trailer. Next up, we've got the classic Chevrolet Camaro. This one's a muscle car lover's dream. Look at that beast. The low, aggressive stance, the big front grille, and that unmistakable muscle car presence. It has this awesome dark brown color scheme that just screams performance. Once again, the doors will open. This car just exudes power. This is a 1:40 scale. This one comes from Maisto brand. Now let's load the car and trailer. And last, but certainly not least, we have the Corvette Stingray. This one is for all the sports car fans out there. The Corvette Stingray is sleek, aerodynamic, and just downright gorgeous. I love the red color. The detailing on the rear, especially the quad exhausts, is so sharp. The doors will open just like the others, and it feels like you're holding a miniature version of the real thing. This is a 1/40 scale. This one comes from Maestro brand. It's got that classic Corvette look with a modern twist. Those curves are just perfect. Now let's load the car and trailer. So there you have it. 5 stunning cars, all beautifully detailed. Mercedes, Lamborghini, Chevrolet, and Corvette, all riding in style in that truck. Honestly, I think this would make a perfect display piece. You can have the truck and cars all set up, or you can detach the trailer and just cruise with the truck.
You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
here's some of the clips done in Meta AI and Gemini.
That's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it.
All right, that's gonna do it for today's unboxing. Let me know in the comments which of these cars is your favorite, and what model should I unbox next. Let me know in the comments. If you want to see more awesome diecast unboxings, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. I've got a ton more coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.